Hello, this is a recording from Monday, March 2nd. Today's practice is titled Smile Lifter. It is designed to lift your spirits. Take a comfortable position and, as usual, take a few nice, comfortable breaths in and out. Now, inhale slowly, rising the corners of your lips ever so slightly. Follow this with a deep, slow exhale as you hold that subtle smile. Inhale, corners of your lips rise a little bit more. Long exhale, holding that gentle smile. Of course, breathe at your pace. Inhaling, corners of your lips rising even further. And slowly exhale, softly holding that smile. Inhale, smiling. Exhale, feeling your smile radiating warmth and light throughout your whole body. Inhale, smiling. Exhale, radiating warmth and light all around you. I'll be silent for a minute or so to give you time to stay with your experience. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, see if you can keep that smile with you and repeat this practice as needed. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.